It's that time of the year when yard work shifts from mowing to raking. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a great way to pick up all those leaves right after this.
Ready for some home improvement inspiration? Full episodes and seasons of today's Homeowner TV are now available on Crackle and Prime Video. Grab your favorite streaming device and watch Danny Lipford and Chelsea Lipford Wolf as they help real homeowners maintain and upgrade their homes. Get their expert how-to advice and simple solutions to make your house the best looking one on the block. Watch for free on Crackle and on Prime Video for subscribers. Search for today's homeowner and start watching today.
To be honest, I really don't like raking leaves, but I hate picking them up even more to get them into a bag or maybe a garbage can. It's just awkward and inefficient, whether you use your hands or the rake or both. So instead, you should try this. Buy a small 6 by 8 foot plastic tarp and fold it in half long ways. Along each 4-foot edge, wrap a few inches of the tarp around a 4-foot long, 3/4 inch wooden dowel and secure it with staples. These dowels will serve as handles for the tarp so that you can lay the tarp out on the ground, rake the leaves onto it, and lift it up by the handles to easily dump it into a trash can or compost pile. Believe me, it works great. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.